Let's be honest, navigating health advice these days is like trying to find a matching sock in a black hole. Like many of you, I'm at that midlife stage, still learning, still figuring things out. There's so much information out there, it's easy to get stuck in habits that might not be serving us anymore. So let's do a little health audit together, no judgment, just a friendly look at some common practices. Our goal today? To gently dismantle some outdated health habits that might be doing more harm than good. We've all heard it, cardio is king. And yes, cardio is important for heart health, no doubt about it. But, and this is a big but, too much high-impact cardio can actually put a lot of stress on your joints. Think about it, pounding the pavement day after day can wear down cartilage. Plus, excessive cardio can elevate cortisol levels, which, ironically, can hinder fat loss. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine. Running it at top speed constantly isn't sustainable. Instead of endless hours on the treadmill, try incorporating variety. Strength training is fantastic for building muscle and boosting your metabolism. Brisk walking, cycling, or swimming are great moderate-intensity options. Most importantly, listen to your body. If you're constantly feeling fatigued, it's a sign to scale back. For years, we've been told to pop a multivitamin every day for optimal health. And while multivitamins can be helpful in certain situations, they're not a magic bullet. The truth is, many synthetic vitamins aren't absorbed very efficiently by the body. Plus, there's a risk of overdosing on certain vitamins, which can be harmful. Think of it like eating a whole bag of candy. A little might be okay, but too much is definitely not good for you. The best approach: focus on a nutrient-rich diet filled with whole foods. Aim for a rainbow on your plate. Lots of colorful fruits and vegetables. If you suspect you have specific deficiencies, consult your doctor for targeted supplements. They can run tests and recommend what you actually need. Remember the days when fat-free was all the rage? We were told that fat was the enemy, the root of all evil. But the truth is, our bodies need healthy fats. Fats are crucial for brain function, hormone production, and vitamin absorption. Cutting out fat completely can actually lead to increased hunger and cravings, often resulting in reaching for processed foods. Instead of avoiding fat, embrace healthy sources like avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. The key is moderation, not complete avoidance. A little healthy fat can go a long way in keeping you feeling satisfied and energized. We all know how important sleep is, and when you're struggling to get a good night's rest, it can be tempting to reach for a sleep aid. And while they can be helpful in the short term, relying on them long term can lead to dependence and other issues. They can also mask underlying sleep problems, like sleep apnea, which need to be addressed. So what's the alternative? Focus on good sleep hygiene. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool, and avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. If you're still struggling to sleep, consult your doctor to find the root cause of your sleep problems. We all want a clean home, and for good reason. But believe it or not, there is such a thing as being too clean. Harsh cleaning products can irritate your skin, eyes, and respiratory system. And excessive cleaning can actually weaken your immune system. Our bodies need exposure to some germs to build immunity. So, what's the alternative? Take a balanced approach. Use natural cleaning products whenever possible. Open windows to air out your home. And remember that a little bit of dirt never hurt anyone. So, let's recap those 5 habits we talked about today. Excessive cardio, daily multivitamins, low-fat diets, over-reliance on sleep aids, and over-cleaning. The key takeaway here is to make informed choices and find a balance that works for you. Remember, I'm not a doctor, and this video is for informational purposes only. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or exercise routine. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on these habits? Have you experienced any of these issues yourself? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more content, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.